Hello! To start generating high-quality product titles and descriptions and enhance product images in minutes with AI, here's what you need to do. Go to Product AI Tools on your AppScenic account and click on Description and Images. You will land on the page called AI Products, where you can see all your imported products. On one side, you have all your products, and on this other tab are the products that have already been improved with our AI tools. To start using AI, first, choose a product and click on its name to land on its page. Hover your mouse on the AI icon placed on the right side of the default title field. As you can see, it says Improve Product Details using AI. Now, click on it and you get this pop-up where you need to confirm you want to run AI improvements on title and description. Choose Yes. These improvements may take a while, that's why you will see this notification, letting you know that the AI is doing its magic in the background. Once the AI has done the updates, you will see your new content at the end of that product page. Make sure you read the new title and description content and approve it by clicking on Accept AI Improvements. Another pop-up will appear, making sure you want these changes to appear live on your store. Click on Yes if you're okay with this. You will see on the right side of your product page the status completed under AI Improvement and in store, under integration status, once that's done. Now, to enhance your product images, you will need to follow the same steps. First, let's pick another product. Go to the image section of that product page. It's just under the description field. Select which images you want to improve using AI, and then click on the AI icon placed on the right side of those images. Now, confirm your choices in the pop-up by clicking on Yes. Just like for improving your product details, once the AI has made its changes, you will see the new images at the end of your product page. Select the ones you like and approve them by clicking Accept AI Improvements. Confirm that you're okay with the changes to appear live on your store, and when the changes are live, you will see this status here. So, that's how you use our new AI tool to improve your product titles, descriptions, and images. Thanks for watching, and happy dropshipping!